We have here the new 911 Turbo S, model 992. That's the new safety car for the season. We have more power than in the old car, so now 650 horsepower. We have now a TV and the driver can watch the live coverage from the race. So additionally to a normal road car, it's obvious they have the lights on the roof. Inside they have all the logging systems, the marshalling displays, the same system the race cars have. Also the radio with a push-to-talk button on the steering wheel. Then we have a roll cage and the racing seats. It's really important to have fast safety cars to keep the tires and the brakes of the race cars behind warm and in a good condition for the restart.
Porsche continues to supply the FIA World Endurance Championship WEC with safety cars for when the 2022 season kicks off next weekend at Sebring, USA. The new safety cars based on the Porsche 911 Turbo S will be deployed for the first time. The safety vehicles, which travel around the world in containers with the factory squad's two 911 RSR racers, provide other services at the racetrack and in practice sessions. On each day of the WEC event, the safety car drivers turn laps to check the signal system and radio. The 650 PS 911 Turbo S sprints from 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.7 seconds and reach a top speed of 330 km per hour. For use as a safety car in the FIA WEC, the sports car from Weissach has been fitted with data and transmission technology as well as a lighting signal system and 2 additional monitors in the cockpit.